subject for today is Scirocco, the German-engineered beauty that offers just about everything you can ask of a sports car: distinctive good looks, sporty, responsive handling, outstanding performance, and lots of fun and excitement.
Inside, full leather seats, a leather-covered steering wheel and shift knob, full instrumentation with tachometer, and a body that has a coefficient of drag of 0.38 with an uncluttered rear deck. Everything works together. This is a real driver's car.
And when it comes to such sporty performance features as aerodynamic design, front-wheel drive, McPherson struts, power front disc brakes, rack and pinion steering, four-wheel independent suspension, negative steering roll radius, overhead cam engine with continuous fuel injection, and passenger capsule construction, well, they all come standard with Scirocco. To bring today's program into focus, Scirocco can be summed up in a very few words: performance, value, German engineering, handling, aerodynamic styling, and definitely a smart buy.